Another day, another story. Find out how to make money online in the UK. Maybe you want to replace a full-time job, or maybe you're a stay-at-home mom who wants to make extra money. Here are the best ways to make money, no matter why you need it. You can easily make money online from home and make a good living, which can help a lot when money is tight. 1. Online surveys. Online surveys are a very popular way to make money when you don't have anything else to do. I like them because they only take a minute to 10 minutes and I can do them while sitting on the couch. All you have to do is fill out a few forms with your thoughts, and you'll get paid in cash. Usually, each survey pays you £2.50 or even more. Start with LifePoints, YouGov, and Opinion Outpost, all of which are free survey sites. If you sign up for and take part in several survey sites, you could make up to £200 per month. 2. Get paid to look for things online. Need help helping your child with their homework? Want to know how sports went? Do you want to know what's on TV tonight? Want something to wear on a romantic evening? You need to use a search engine to find out almost anything these days. You can make money while you browse without doing anything different. Sign up for QMe.com, add the extension to your browser, and you'll get paid to search the web. You will also get offers to make some extra money by taking surveys. There is no minimum amount you need to win, and you can get your money right away through PayPal. 3. Dropshipping is a way to sell things online. You might think that running an online store means owning stock and spending all your time in line at the post office, but you could also make money from home by doing simple delivery. The idea is that a third party owns the stock, you promote the product through an online store, and when it sells, the third party sends it to the final customers. You never touch a stock. 4. Make an eBook. You don't need a publishing offer to become an author, whether you want to write a book or share what you know about a certain subject. Self-publishing and selling a digital book on sites like Amazon is a way to make money online. 5. Get paid to make YouTube videos. If you don't mind being on the other side of the room, you could use YouTube to make money. You can start with your phone room for free. People who watch the content you make can make money for you without you having to do anything. Maybe you don't want to be the center of attention. Many YouTubers make money by doing simple reviews, streaming while they play games, or showing how to do their makeup. Share your hobby or skill with other people through a video. You can start making money on YouTube once you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Some YouTubers make a lot of money because they have a lot of subscribers. If you have a smaller channel, you can expect to make about £1 for every 1,000 views. As your channel gets bigger and you make more videos, the extra money you make will also grow. 6. Paying to watch videos. There are places on the internet where you can make money by watching videos instead of just taking surveys. Join websites and apps like iRazoo and Where8. You'll be paid through PayPal. 7. Domain names can be bought and sold. When you buy and sell domain names, you can make a lot of money. You don't have to have a real website. Instead, you can start by buying a .com, .co.uk, or even a .net that hasn't been registered yet if you think someone will want that domain name. On Namecheap, you can buy cheap domain names. When the internet first became popular, it was easier to get a domain name, but there were already a lot of them taken. But there are still a lot of domains that haven't been registered yet. 8. Sell photos online. Have you ever wondered where the pictures on websites, blogs, and marketing materials come from? Someone takes the picture, and when someone else buys it, that person will get paid. Anyone can do that with a smartphone that has a good camera, so you can take photos that are either amazing or boring. You can sell pictures on sites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto. 9. Make a web page. Most big websites start out as small ideas. A blog or website is a great way to make money and can even be a source of real passive income. SiteGround makes it easy to start a blog, and it doesn't cost much to do so. You can make money by selling ads, getting sponsors, or putting up affiliate links. You could also sell your own products to your audience. Find out how to set up a website. 10. Use social networks, influence. You might not think you are an influencer, but anyone with an online friend can be a micro-influencer and make money from it. Affiliate marketing is a simple way to make money, whether you have a YouTube channel or a few followers on Instagram, TikTok, or Twitter. You can make money right away by promoting services or products from another company on your social media accounts. This could be food, clothes, or switching energy companies. Start with Amazon's affiliate program and sign up for ShareASale, which are two of the best platforms, and then submit affiliate links. If someone clicks on your link and buys something, you will get a commission. 11. Make money by testing websites. Do you hate the way a website works but don't think you can change it? So, now it can be different. Not only can you talk about what you like and don't like about websites and apps, but you can also get paid for it. Each 20-minute test you finish on the user testing website will pay you $10 via PayPal. 12. Get paid to play video games. There are places where you can play games and win money online. Sites make money by putting ads on them, and they put some of that money in your account. It starts with some of my favorite sites, like Swagbucks, Toluna, and Inbox Pounds. You can get paid through PayPal or a variety of gift cards.